Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining the pathway of the heart, beginning with the lungs. So when the blood is in the lungs, it is being oxygenated through the pulmonary circuit. After it is oxygenated, it returns to the heart through the four pulmonary veins. There's left ones and right ones. And from the pulmonary veins, it goes to the left atrium. Then from the left atrium, it goes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. After the left ventricle contracts, it goes through the aortic semilunar valve. And I didn't really draw it correctly, but then it goes up into the aorta and to its branches where it supplies the rest of the body through the systemic capillaries. And then the oxygen poor blood returns to the heart through the superior and inferior vena cava to the right atrium. So after the right atrium, it goes through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. After the right ventricle, it goes through the pulmonary semilunar valve to the pulmonary trunk. And from the pulmonary trunk, it goes through the left and right pulmonary arteries to go to the lungs to be oxygenated. I hope that makes sense. One thing that helps me with this to differentiate the oxygenated blood from the non-oxygenated is that when it involves the left and right pulmonary veins, at that point the blood is oxygenated. It just left the lungs. But when it involves the superior and inferior vena cava, it is not oxygenated, and therefore it needs to go to the right atrium and through the pathway again to be oxygenated.